Ooh, hello October. Actually, goodbye October. Guys, can you believe it? The month is already over. But don't worry, I'm still decorating and still decluttering. Just bear with me getting these videos out. So in my last video, I did a huge fall decor haul. Make sure you check that out. Look at the stuff I'm going to be designing the house with. And my video before that, I did build an Alex drawer and decorate it with my Dollar Tree decals. That one is called the best, and I mean the best, IKEA organizational hack of 2023. Make sure you check that out as well. And this one is going to be very similar to the last one. I'm going to be showing you how I build the Alex drawers and also how I'm decorating it. So I'm basically creating a desk area to keep my area more organized and clutter free. If you want to see what that looks like, make sure you keep watching this video and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can see very similar videos like this. All right, let's jump into the video and I'll show you how I built the drawers and how I decorated them. All right, enough stalling. Let me jump into it. So y'all, I went to IKEA, picked up the Alex drawers, and then I got right to work. Now, I don't know if y'all want like a step-by-step tutorial of how I built it, or y'all just want to hear music and watch me build it like a time lapse, or you want both. Like, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Like, what do y'all prefer? Y'all prefer people talking when they're doing these videos, or you prefer like just hearing music, or it doesn't matter? Sound off in the comments below. Let me know what you think. But I'm going to do a combination of both. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to say things that are important, I guess. But here are the directions. And then these are all the supplies that it came with. So in my best IKEA organizational hack video 2023, I did give a lot of tips and tricks. And this is as follows. This is a snippet from the video. Follow directions. You will definitely need a screwdriver and hammer. And most importantly, use a cushion area when assembling. So I will be following my own advice for this video. Now, step one is to decorate the drawer fronts before I assemble the drawers and put the drawer fronts on the drawers. If you want to see the full tutorial for that, make sure you watch the video I just mentioned, because I will be breezing through this step. I am customizing it the way that I want with the Dollar Tree decals. The tutorial that I posted will be more in depth about how I did things and small tips and tricks. But yeah, just sit back and watch. Hey guys, I also want to mention that the reason why I use wall decals on the drawers and not like permanent stickers or use hodgepodge on it is because I can easily remove them. So I can start a whole new blank canvas to match my bedroom theme. So if I have like an ocean theme, or if I have green, blue, whatever have you, I can easily take the wall decals off and start totally anew. I will have another video of me taking them off and trying something else new. Make sure you subscribe so you can see that video in the near future. All right, looking good, looking good, looking good. The drawers are done and it's time for step two, which is assembling the entire unit and then the drawers. I am following the directions page by page, no shortcuts. So if you want to follow along, the link is in the bio for the directions. And we can go from there. Wait a minute. Why my face look like that? Bruh. I look like I got a stomachache or something, but I think I was just watching a walkthrough of a game and was just like, what the f? Anyway, child, after I fixed my face, I took this piece and slid it right in like zoop. I did the same thing on the other side, and as you can see, the unit is already coming together. This looks like it's really coming together, right? Yes, but no. Little did I know I was building this part wrong. I put the wrong side. So this side, I should have put it on the other side, and the other side, I should have put on this side. You guys will see that in a few clips after this, but yeah, I was building it wrong. All right, the unit is almost complete. So I'm taking these locks and I am locking these parts right here. And this basically makes sure that the screws, or like I don't even know what you call it, y'all. It just makes sure that it don't fall apart. All right, so the unit or the box is complete. Now I'm gonna put these little knobs on the bottom so the unit can sit on the floor and not scrape the floor. This will also help the unit be more leveled as well. You can skip the step if it doesn't apply to you. Like for example, if you're putting it on carpet, you can skip the step. But because I have hardwood floors, I'm definitely putting them on there. But you're always welcome to take them off. After I flip the unit over, I'm now going to assemble my drawers and attach the fronts that I decorated. Carefully following the directions for this part is imperative because it can be a little tricky if you do not follow them correctly. Just to let you guys know, my next video after this will be me organizing my drawers and using Dollar Tree office supplies to organize my drawers. And then also how I create my desk area to declutter all the stuff that's on my floor and in my closet. So once again, make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned and stay updated when those two videos come out. All right, now here's the fun part. Once all the pegs are in, I basically take these. This is basically the size of the drawers. I slide them in and align it with the other one, just like so. Slide them in. And then I did the same thing as I did earlier. I took the board, slide it in as well, put the back on, and I basically constructed the drawer. So I don't have much footage of this. I'm gonna make it real quick. This is the moment where I realized the top and the bottom needed to be switched because the drawers wouldn't fit. I did that. I switched the top and the bottom, and then I put the drawers in and everything aligned, and it turned out like this. Once again, these Dollar Tree wall decals look great on the Alex Drawer unit. I am doing like a soft pink in my room, so I decided to do that on the drawers. And the other pair of drawers, I will be taking the decals off. That will also be another video, as I mentioned earlier. I'll take the decals off and do something very similar to this one. I don't know if I'm going to do the same design, but probably something very, very similar. So if you guys enjoy content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification at the bottom. Be notified when I do very similar videos like this. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.